Did you know that once your arteries are blocked, it becomes very difficult to clear them out? And sadly, high blood pressure affects an estimated 100 million Americans according to recent research published by the American Heart Association. Experts believe that high cholesterol begins with damage to or plaque blocking the inner layer of the artery. Many reasons for this include smoking, heredity, poor diet, lack of exercise, obesity, and diabetes. With this problem being so prevalent, many individuals have sought medical help, including high doses of medication. And while seeking medical advice is always a recommended way to turn when dealing with health problems like these, it can become expensive. Thankfully, there are natural solutions, including the one we're about to show you. Lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and honey. You will be able to simply and healthfully unclog arteries and control blood pressure. Why it works. Garlic has been shown to be a natural way to clear blocks in the arteries, as well as reduce blood pressure and bad cholesterol levels. It can also reduce blood sugar levels, which aids in weight loss because when sugar levels are in normal ranges makes it easier to control your appetite, which in turn aids in weight loss. Ginger has been linked to the prevention of heart disease because of its ability to increase blood flow. It also has energy-producing capabilities that will help you to be more physically active, thus aiding in weight loss. Lemon has been shown in research studies to regulate the heartbeat, restore the proper function of the heart, helping blood flow throughout the body easier. Apple cider vinegar has antioxidants that play a crucial role in removing toxins from the body and blood. It also has healthy vitamins, minerals, and enzymes to keep the body healthy. Honey fights bacteria, energizes the body, and has been shown to reduce cholesterol and heart disease. Ingredients: 1 cup ginger juice, 1 cup garlic puree, 1 cup lemon juice, 1 cup apple cider vinegar, 2 cups organic honey. Directions: extract the juice from the ingredients. Put ginger, garlic, lemon juice, and vinegar in a saucepan and cook over medium heat for 30 minutes while stirring. Remove from heat and let cool completely. Add 2 cups of honey and mix well. Pour the mixture into a clean bottle and store it in the refrigerator. How to use it: take 1 tablespoon of the mixture each morning, afternoon, and evening on an empty stomach. The mixture can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 months.